I'm here with my 2022 BRZ, and we're going to see how long it takes to put a car seat in the back seat. So that took just over a minute, about 70 seconds. I've been doing this for a year and a half, and so I've gotten good at it, and I know how to do it quickly. But let me show you the steps that I took to do that and what's actually involved. So first, pull the latch, slide the seat forward. You come back here, pull off the cover for the back latch on the car seat. I always put that piece in the glove box. And you can undo these two straps or Velcro pieces that give you access to the clamp or the attachment points for the car seat. The other side has them too, just so you know. I always like to put towels down on the seats so it doesn't make permanent indents or damage the cloth, because these seats are not exactly the highest quality, although they're fine for what they are. So there's one, and I like to put one on the backrest too, just to make sure that, or the headrest area, just to make sure that nothing's going to get damaged or creased. So you can kind of see what I've done there. Just kind of laid it out. And that'll help protect the front of the seat too from the kids' feet. So the next step is putting the car seat in, and you have to kind of rotate it in, but it does fit. This particular model, I'll link it below, and you can see the affiliate link below in the description. But it's a Graco, and it fits really well in the back of this BRZ. Kind of angle it in, get it in position, and I always attach the back strap first. Tighten that down. And I do the bottom strap, or the side strap for each side. You kind of got to feel around, you can't really see much. Give it a little tug. Put the backrest up as needed, and you're good to go. It's pretty simple. It does take a little bit of flexibility and maneuverability though. So with the front seat back in place, you can tell there's not a lot of room back here. However, there is enough room for a small kid. So actually, we've had our family in this car multiple times, and it's not spacious, but it does work, especially for in-town trips. All right, so then the next step is just putting the seat back. And you can tell that's probably enough room up there for the front passenger, but you need to recline it, otherwise you're gonna be sitting straight up. And you can tell there's not a lot of room between the back of the front seat and the car seat there. I would say there's probably 3 to 4 inches. Now you can get a little more space as needed by scooting this up, but you're gonna compromise on your passenger foot space. So that gives a good amount. We've had our whole family in here multiple times around town, and it does work. And it's definitely doable with 4 people for short distances, if you don't mind not having all the space in the world like you would in an SUV or minivan. Also, if you have a child who's past a car seat but still needs a booster, I'll show you how this works actually really well in here. So again, we put our older kid behind the driver, behind me. So you pull the latch on the back of the seat, and you should note that the whole seat doesn't slide forward like the passenger one does, just the back goes forward, which is slightly annoying, but also nice that it does keep the driver's seat in the same front and back position. So I'm going to take this. This is a Chico brand, and I'll have the affiliate description below. But really, you just place it back there, and this one fits perfectly between both sides of the the molded or cut out spot for the passenger here. I'll show you. It's kind of a deep seat well, but it fits. This one fits perfectly right there. And then the seat belt, just goes like that, and the kids can put it on themselves pretty easily. But you can kind of see how all this fits back here. It's snug, but definitely doable. So with my driving position, that's approximately where it goes. You can see there's not a lot of space either. I'll usually have my kid behind me cross her legs, or there is room to put them down, but it can be a little tight. But I still do have enough room to be comfortable and drive and shift here. So it does work for 4 people, 2 adults and 2 kids in the back. So is it possible to get kids and, well, 2 kids and 2 adults in a 2022 BRZ? And I'd say, yeah, definitely it is. It's one of the few cars that has a 6-speed manual. The price point that it does is potentially sub 30,000, and 4 seats that you can take, you know, your spouse and 2 kids in. So it's definitely doable. But would I recommend it as a daily driver? Depends on what your level of annoyance would be in getting your kids in and out of the back. You can see it takes a little bit of time and effort and flexibility to get the car seat in and out if you're taking the car seat in and out on a regular basis. It also takes some flexibility to get your kids strapped in properly once the car seat's in. So you got to take those things into account. Also, if you're putting your kid in and out, or you're moving the car seat in and out, and you have a 2-car garage or 1-car garage, but if you have a 2-car garage and you're parked next to your other car in your house, in your garage, you're gonna have to back this car out and be able to have space to open the door all the way to get the car seat or the kid in and out all the way. So that's another thing to consider. Would I daily drive it personally? Well, I did for 18 months and 14,000 miles. Now, I will say this wasn't our primary family car, but we had our family in here a lot, just for around town trips. It was a lot more fun than our 2006 Sequoia was to drive around town. The family was not exactly fully comfortable like they were in the other car, but it was definitely doable with minimal complaints around town. We've gone to Costco and done grocery runs and everything, and with the trunk the size that it is, it's definitely a lot more practical than you might think at first look. We can put a bunch of groceries in the back and have the whole family, and it's not bad at all. It's a lot more fun than driving the minivan or the SUV around town.